Circle over bitches, yeah. They don't know about the circle, man. Finna let them know though. Yeah. Now would it be completely out the blue if I started out my verse by saying, fuck you, pay me. Your hustle moving at a turtle pace, but slow and steady won't win the race. You making moves, but I'm making movements. My style's improved and yours needs improvements. Listen to me as I spit the sacred game from the turning lane, twisting up that ease the pain. For them niggas in the rain, I feel for you, homie. You that lonely goose who didn't duck. Remember me, sipping on some Hennessy, looking out for frenemies and other jive turkeys. Cause lately it's been raining thirsty birdies, yeah. Circle over bitches, circle over bitches. The circle of winners is the circle over bitches. Throwing bows, leaving more than bruises. That's why we the one your girlfriend chooses. She sees you as a nuisance, and if it's us against them, you know who loses. Flow dangerous, beware of them strangers. They over there looking the same, but they ain't us. Couldn't hang in our league of extraordinary G's, fool, please. You ain't putting the work in, so no need to question why your pocket's hurting. You ain't really about nothing. Need to quit with all that fake, tough and straight bluffing. Circle over bitches, the circle over bitches. The circle of winners is the circle over bitches. The circle over bitches, the circle over bitches. The circle of winners is the circle over bitches, yeah.
I'm with the circle of winners, man. I'm rolling my weed. We elegant, living the life. VIP, no ID. We smoking in major, man. So many different flavors and different papers. Laugh now and cry later. Feeling great, I never hesitate. I smoke my weed every day just to stay awake. Man, I'm feeling good, and I'ma take it to extreme. I'm ballin' for my whole team, know I do it mean. Syrup sippin' lean, smoking weed, weed fiend. Every day, you know I keep that shit low key. Smoking session, I need no protection, I show no affection, yeah.
Circle over bitches, the circle over bitches. The circle of winners is the circle over bitches. The circle over bitches, the circle over bitches. The circle of winners is the circle over bitches. The circle over bitches, the circle over bitches. The circle of winners is the circle over bitches, yeah.